As requested, here's a short video of the problems with this tiny handheld oscilloscope. Right, switch on. There we go, get the boot up page, screen. And that's what we get from the off. As you can see, nothing attached. Now this is going to be a little bit difficult one-handed, but let's attach the probe at this end. There we are, that's that attached at that end. And now let's attach the tip to the test single. No change. As you can see, it's currently set at half a volt per division. Let's see what happens when I change that. I can barely see that in this little screen, so what am I down to? Oh, now to 50 milliamp volts per division, so but there's no real change. Let's go back up. But now 1 volt per division, and it's still showing the same noise. 10 volts, still showing the same noise. Let's put it back at something reasonable, 1 volt. Now let's go for the time base. It's currently set at 50 milliseconds per division. 20, 10, 5, no change. Let's have a look at the trigger, what happens with the trigger. Currently set to auto, set to normal, which doesn't seem to do much. Trigger, no, not doing much. It's now set on the, I have to look at this real loud. I think it's set on the falling edge, set it on the rising edge. No difference. So like that there. Set it back to normal. Go back to the time base. No change, we're just getting noise. And that's the whole thing. Thank you for watching.